Hello people, I saw this question and it looks like somebody probably copy and pasted it, and sometimes when that happens the exponent falls off. So here's the question that the person probably meant to ask. F of x is equal to 8x plus 7 over x, and then over these intervals is it increasing or decreasing? And over some intervals is it concave up and concave down? We're also told that the points A and C are critical points, and B is not defined. So know that there's an asymptote or something like that in the middle at B. So to find when it's increasing and decreasing, we want to find the maxima and minima. So let's take the derivative to find -7 times x to the -2. And the reason you want to take the derivative is because when the slope is 0 is when curves are changing their direction. So we'll say 0 equals 8 minus 7 over x squared. So x squared 7 over 8. So x is plus or minus the square root of 7/8. So these are the two places, A and B, where the curve will have maxima and minima. I could say A and C. And you can tell from the slope that if you put in a value of 0 for x, that you're going to have your asymptote, so B must be 0. And then there's a question of, are they concave up or concave down? So one way to do that is you can find the second derivative, see if it's positive or negative. It's going to give you 14 over x to the third. And when you put your critical points in here, the negative critical point, -7 over 8, is going to give you a negative number, because when you cube a negative number, you get a negative number. So A will be concave down. You'll have an asymptote in the middle. And then since C is positive, when you cube it, you'll get a positive number. So there's A, B, here's C, concave up. So I hope that it helps you answer your question. From -infinity to A, the function must be increasing, from A to B decreasing, B to C decreasing, and from C to infinity increasing.